Hello, this is Els here in the Elizabeth Craft Design studio. It's actually snowing in the studio. You see the snowflakes behind me. That is because I am going to show you a classic Christmas special kit. I asked Joset to design a kit with a slimline in there and then some classic like Christmas ornaments and snowflakes, and that you can bind a lot, so you can do a lot with it. You can make a batch of cars, keep it simple, you can make it more intricate. There's so much you can do with it, and I have some beautiful samples to show you, but let me show you the kit first. So this is the kit. So what you get, I'm just going to take it out. So you get in this kit one stamp set, 3 die sets and an inspiration sheet. So this is the stamp set. It says, may your holidays be filled with joy, season's greeting, wishing you a Merry Christmas, may your new year shine, joyful wishes, merry and bright, sending a little holiday sparkle, sending you a flurry of love, and then to and from. I love that because that's for like a text you can make, and then the little stars and another star there. So that's the stamp set. Then you get your snowflakes. I love these snowflakes because they're all different, and it's a size that you can use on your ornaments. You can use it separate on a card. So I'm going to show you samples from Joset that are really, really, really pretty. So you get 8 snowflakes in the set. You see those? Then we have the ornaments, and you have 3 different shapes. What I have in mind, and I'm going to show you that as well. We're going to do a special live with that, like a 2-hour live, that you can kind of get a lot of inspiration. But you can use the ornament by itself. You can put if you cut it out of decorated paper, you can put the snowflakes on there. You can use it with our glitter, of course. So I'm going to show you all that. And then we have a beautiful background, for a slimline card. And we use it here in a Christmas card, but you can imagine this can be used for any occasion. And Joset does a fantastic, beautiful job with the slimline dies because she has it really, it's a perfect layout. So I love that. And then the inspiration sheets from the cards I'm going to show you. You see here, you see the tag, but I have those all live here. So you have this one, and then on the back you have more cards. You see, and Joset kept it all here in the blue and the white, like the frosty feeling, really the holiday feeling. I absolutely love what she did here. I'm very proud of my daughter, I have to say. So let me show you the samples. So what I have here, you see, so that is a slimline. So what Joset did here, so she has the background. Then she used a stitch circle, because a lot of you will have regular circles or stitch circles. She put the ornaments on, or the snowflakes on there. And here she used a circle ornament. Of course, you have the top pieces that come with the die set. Let me show you that, because you might have missed that one. I didn't show that, but you see, so you have your solids, and then you have your 3 top pieces as well. And then you see a little glitter dot there. And then she added like the snowflakes on top of the background. Then this one is actually one that I created. I use a Santa, because of course you can imagine this with Santa, with the penguin, with all the characters from Joset. So I did a white background, very simple, double-sided adhesive on the back, cut it, stick it to your card, and then I added the snowflakes in white as well, and just added the Santa. And then this one is one with glitter. So again, the background, the ornaments in glitter, the snowflakes in silver, and I added some glitter dots, and then here of course the top pieces and a piece of thread there. Then I'm going to put the one from Joset at the top, because this is her release, like it's such a beautiful one. So then these ones, also created by Joset. I love what she did here. So she did the 3 ornaments in blue, then the gold snowflakes, gold top pieces, and then a little, so she did not use the background here, she only used the snowflakes to make the background. So she adds the back here of the soft finish cardstock with some blue, and then she added the snowflakes. So you cut those with double-sided adhesive on the back, of course our clear double-sided adhesive from Elizabeth Craft Designs, and then you just die cut those and stick those. And of course, you know, we have that double-sided adhesive in rolls and in sheets, so make sure you kind of stock up on that one to make your Christmas cards, because the gold is also cut with the double-sided adhesive on the back. So I'm going to put that one here. Then I have the little tag here, And when Joset was designing the stamps, I said, you know, this is such a great one because you can make your own gift tags. How cool is that? Love that. And then I have some more cards, and these are A2 size cards because you don't need to make all slimline, of course. You can also do A2 size. So here what Joset did here, so you have of course the stamp. Then she cut this one in golds. But then here you see she did an inlay. So there's actually glitter on the back there, and I will show that in the live as well. So there's glitter on the back. Then she did an inlay with the blue ones, and then just a square on there. And this is a stitch square, a stitch rectangle, and it says sending a little holiday sparkle. So there is sparkle on there from our glitter. Then we have this one. And this shows that you can use that slimline background in a different way. So what Joset did here, so she took the sides and then cut out the middle and put that ornament in the middle. And that says Merry and Bright. And this is like lifted a little bit with 3D tape. And then this one, love that. So here she cut the background out of gold cardstock with tape on the back and just trimmed it off on the side here. So you can make it very easily into an A2 size card. Love that. And then last but not least, she made another one. And she used a slim line like on a standing up card, and then a stitch banner on here. So again, everything tape on the back and a soft finish cardstock ornament, the golds there in the like the snowflake, and the top piece, and then it says wishing you a Merry Christmas. So that is that special. Let me show it to you again because it's such a, you know, I really am so happy with this one. So first of all, everything you see here is on that sheet as well. So that will be your inspiration sheet. And then we do that special also to show you what you can do with it. Then we have the ornaments. So you get 3 ornaments, nice size with the top piece. Then we have the 8 snowflakes. And they're all different. And of course I'm going to use those with glitter. So I'm going to show you all different techniques. And then that slimline background. Beautiful die that can be used anywhere. And then of course the stamps. So that's our classic Christmas kit special. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and don't forget, so on the 15th of September I'm going to do 2 lives from 12 to 1 and 1:30 till 2:30, and I will be working with this set. If you have it, you can kind of play along, but you can watch it of course later as well if you don't have the set yet, and it will also be on our YouTube channel. And on the 17th I'm going to use the set again, so lots and lots of ideas for that. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to check out our social media, Instagram, YouTube, and of course our Facebook. We do a Facebook Live normally on Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Thank you for watching.